Okay, so this is a stucco strip. We have the magnets inside. This right here is the top of the stucco strip. This is the bottom. There's a little channel outside the double stitching. You just have to kind of work it open a little bit. Okay, so putting the fiberglass rod in the stucco strip is a little bit more of a challenge because there's some thick material in there. But just be patient. Work it in. Generally when you get it started, it'll flow a little better, but it's definitely a little bit more work than a curtain panel to get this in. So we're gonna pull tight and I'm gonna start pushing. Eventually, it's gonna get too hard to push, and I'll show you what to do when that occurs. So now what I need to do is there's a lot of thick material in there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna inchworm it down. I'm just gonna inch it down and pull, inch, and then pull. Sometimes we get calls, this just will not go in. Be patient. And the last little bit, I'm just gonna use a wall here to help me out. I'm gonna push that in. And I wanna push it in really far so it's actually up in there a little bit. Okay? What you're gonna find is once you've pushed it in with all the tugging and pulling, particularly on the stucco strips, it's gonna come out like a spiral. So what you wanna do is just kind of massage it. So I've got my fiberglass rod up in here about 2 inches or so. And even though it's hard to get these fiberglass rods into these stucco strips, it can find a way of working itself out. So we came up with this clip. We had this thing custom made for us. Basically, you can put it anywhere on the curtain. You can put it at the top, you can put it at the bottom. Basically, this clip goes on and it grips that fiberglass rod so it won't slip out anymore.